Replacing the spare S3 and S2. To work safely, the control unit must be disconnected from the main supply and from any auxiliary batteries. We do not recommend to operate the system when the power supply is connected. Remove the two screws on one side and open the cap. Disconnect the power strip to disable the sensor to be replaced. Place the resistive group in order to rearm the system. Every control unit is supplied with an accessory bag inside attached under the electronic board where we can find the resistive groups. Close and press the reset button. Pre-alarm activated for 2 minutes. To remove the cover of the S3 version, loosen the safety Allen screw and unscrew the sensor cover, previously disconnected. To remove the cover of the S2 version, unscrew the 4 sensor screws previously disconnected. Once the cover is removed, disconnect the sensor from the electronic board. Stretch the cable and unscrew the sensor. Once the sensor has been removed, disconnect the power strip. Unscrew the screws from the electronic board, if possible, with a magnetized screwdriver. Remove the electronic board. Attention, do not exchange the sensors. Each sensor and its associated electronic board are calibrated together. Remove the new part. Place the new electronic board with the terminal strip in the front of the cable input. Screw the electronic board. Insert, screw, and tighten the new sensor until it stops. Connect the sensor to the electronic board. Connect the terminal strip to the electronic board. Make sure that the strips have been correctly connected. Place and screw the cap. Tighten the safety Allen screw. Screw the 4 sensor screws. And put the new label. Remove the resistive group and store it in the accessories bag. Connect the sensor to the central unit. Close the cover and press on the reset button. The pre-alarm will remain activated for 2 minutes. If the operation has been performed without supply voltage, before the control unit is rearmed, the main power and the auxiliary batteries must be reconnected. Fidegas recommendations. In all cases, it is recommended to verify the connections and perform the operating test after the replacement of the sensors. Connection that can be improved. Correct connection.